Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the fail to download or apply the critical settings on your Roblox error code. So I will show you guys best effective solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch the entire video. First, go to the Windows search, type the run and open it. Type the command which is the percentage local lab data percentage, and then click on the OK. So now here you have to just look for the folder which is the Roblox. So when you find the Roblox folder from here, just right click on that folder, click on the delete. So by deleting this folder, we are going to uninstall the Roblox from our PC to fix this error. So after deleting this folder, just look for the temp folder and open it. And now here you can also look for the Roblox and delete this folder in your temp. Click on the delete, and after this now you can just close it, and also remove the Roblox shortcuts from your desktop. Just select these shortcuts and also remove these. So now you have to just open up your any browser, open up your any game, click on this play option, and now click on this cancel and click on the download and install Roblox to download the Roblox installer and install it into your PC. So now click on the installer and just install it into your PC. So when it was installing, we will go to our next setting, which is also the very important to fix this error. So you can go to the Windows search and type the CMD, right click on that and run as administrator. And now here you have to just simply run these commands. So you can just copy the command one by one and just paste in your command prompt and just run them one by one. Hit the enter, and after that just simply it will ask you to restart your PC, but we will restart our PC after our complete commands will run. After that, now you can just simply copy all of these commands and just simply run them one by one. So after this command was run, just simply close it, and when this was the Roblox was completely installed, you can just simply restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is fixed. So guys, this is how you can fix the critical settings error in your Roblox. And if this video is helpful for you, and if this video fix your problem, then make sure you hit the like button. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.